Okay.
5, 6.
Hey guys. Well, son, and I'm going to study competition.
And I'm gonna go on my account. Is that okay? You just gotta log in. Yeah. Your name, your password. I know my password. I know my name. Oh, name. Yeah. So what do you want to play?
All right.
Did you even have a
So your challenge is to
Siri, open
build
Roblox.
an Android tablet or homemade and get out the supplies and also what's a setup for a minute? Okay, sorry I had to set up Anna. Stop that!
What am I doing?
You're dabbing! And I'm playing Electroplate.
I know.
Okay, so once you get out the supplies, build it. And the RS has to be any kind of Android or stop!
Did you just say ignore Anna?
Ignore Anna. She's always stabbing. Okay, so and once you, if you want to send me a video response, must make sure the video is unlisted. And now I announce the winners after the competition.
Like didn't work or something? Did it not work because
Okay. Good luck.
Because you have to like.
You can also subscribe to my channel.
You have to start both of them with the
And you can turn on my notification bells and check out other videos.
Did you use any spaces? No?
Also, check out Anna's channel called Top Bets.
Yeah, it's a link in the description. Check it out. It's so dabbing good.
No! Would you shut the hell up?
This is my friend.
And it's in the video. So, please like,